Woodworking is an art that has been around for centuries, and it's still as popular as ever. Wooden structures, furniture, and other creations can add a touch of warmth and natural beauty to any space. However, not everyone is a master at woodworking, and that's where plans come in. With the right set of woodworking plans, you can take your ideas and turn them into real, tangible pieces that will leave you and your friends speechless. In this blog post, we'll be unveiling some of the most breathtaking woodworking plans that you can use to create your own masterpieces. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, these plans are sure to inspire you and help you take your woodworking skills to the next level. From rustic-looking tables to sleek modern bookcases, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your next woodworking project. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be blown away by the amazing woodworking plans that we have in store for. 1. Detailed plans for advanced projects. Welcome to Unveiling Woodworking Projects. Plans that'll leave you speechless. In this document, we will discuss the importance of detailed plans for advanced woodworking projects. When taking on a challenging woodworking project, having a detailed plan is essential to ensuring the project's success. Advanced projects often require more complex design and construction techniques, which makes planning even more crucial. Without a plan, there's a higher chance of making mistakes that could ruin the project or even cause injury. A detailed plan should include everything from materials needed to measurements and step-by-step instructions. It should also take into consideration any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the construction process. By investing time in creating a detailed plan, woodworkers can save time, avoid potential mistakes, and create beautiful and functional pieces that leave everyone speechless. 2. Comprehensive materials list included. As woodworking enthusiasts, we understand the importance of having a comprehensive list of materials before embarking on any project. That's why we're proud to unveil our collection of woodworking plans that include a detailed materials list for each project. Our team of experienced woodworkers has carefully curated each list to ensure that every item is readily available and easy to source. With our comprehensive material list, you won't have to worry about missing any important components or making multiple trips to the hardware store. We believe that having a complete list of materials is essential for a successful and stress-free woodworking project, and we're excited to provide that level of support to our fellow woodworkers. 3. Professional level instructions for accuracy. One of the most important aspects of woodworking is accuracy. Precision is key when it comes to the success of any woodworking project. That is why our woodworking plans not only provide step-by-step instructions, but also professional level instructions for accuracy. We understand that even the slightest deviation from the plans can result in a finished product that is less than perfect. That's why we've included detailed measurements, diagrams, and cutting lists to ensure that each piece is cut to the exact specifications needed for a flawless end result. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, our plans provide the necessary guidance to create stunning pieces that will leave you speechless. 4. Tips and tricks for success.